Motorola is back again, this time with the Edge 60 Pro, a flagship that's not just catching up, but aiming to leap ahead. If you thought Moto was stuck in the past, think again. This phone is built to compete directly with Samsung and OnePlus, and honestly, it might just surprise you. The Edge 60 Pro comes with a curved 6.7-inch OLED display running at a blazing 144 Hz refresh rate. That means buttery smooth scrolling, insane clarity, and a design that feels as premium as any Galaxy or iPhone out there. It's slim, futuristic, and definitely eye-catching. Under the hood, you're getting the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. Translation, this thing is built for speed. Whether you're gaming, editing, or just bouncing between apps, it won't flinch. Add in Motorola's clean Android experience, and it feels fast in a way that's refreshing. The camera setup is a big step up too. 50-megapixel main lens with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Motorola is finally delivering cameras that can compete in low light and detail, so your night shots and TikToks are going to look next level. And don't worry about power. The Edge 60 Pro packs a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 125-watt fast charging. That means a day's juice in just minutes. Plus, there's wireless charging, Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, and of course 5G. So, is the Motorola Edge 60 Pro the comeback story we've been waiting for? Drop a comment, smash that like button, and let me know if you'd pick this over Samsung or OnePlus.